What's up, YouTube? Long time no see. I've been kind of slow on making videos because it's a busy time of year, unfortunately. But I thought today I'd give you a quick repair video. In a hurry, I ordered the wrong Echo carburetor for this stick edger right here. And the only difference is, as you can tell, is the bore is the same and everything. The only difference is the throttle control. So I'm gonna kind of show you what I do to when I get one that this happens, because this actually has happened a couple of times. So let's get to it. First, on the old carburetor, I take the bolt, the 3 screws out up here. Careful not to lose them. I mean, we can reuse the new ones actually on the new carburetor. And there's another bolt on the side of the carburetor. Make sure you get that one out too. Alright, just now we can just pull that straight out like that. So you're going to do the same thing on the new one to take it out, so let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're both off, as you can tell here. Wait, right there. So let me show you the difference. So this old one has this part where it screws in like this. Get over here to it. This. And the new one has a different style setup. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the old one from the old carburetor. We're just going to slide it into the new carburetor like so. We're going to put the new bolts in here. I'm just using an impact right now to make it faster. That's what I would normally use it anyway. Kind of just those. All right. One more on the side. And there you have it. I don't know if, see if we can see this, but perfect. So all I have to do is install this over on the edger, and it's good. I've actually had to do this a few times in the past, unfortunately, but this worked. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Also, I'm going to put a link down in the description. I am giving away a Tecton 1/4 inch set, perfect for any small engine mechanic, as soon as I hit 1,000 subs. So go over there and check out that video. Share out this channel. Let's make this one of the best small engine channels on YouTube. I hope you learned something today. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys.